the ballots are counted, the crowd fades away. In the quiet aftermath, we find words to say. Kamala stood with courage, heart open wide. In defeat, she's unbroken, no reason to hide. She has the grace to stand tall, the strength to move on. In the face of the moment, she's already won. For power is fleeting, but honor will stay. With every step forward, come what may. She fought for the people, she walked her own line. With the world watching close, in loss she still shines. Trump may have won, but she's not truly gone. In her eyes there's a promise, a brighter new dawn. She has the grace to stand tall, the strength to move on. In the face of the moment, she's already won. For power is fleeting, but honor will stay. With every step forward, come what may. For battles are many, yet spirits are few. To take every fall and rise up anew. A graceful defeat is a win of its own. In heart she's a leader, though not on the throne. She has the grace to stand tall, the strength to move on. In the face of the moment, she's already won. For power is fleeting, but honor will stay. With every step forward, come what may. And so she steps forward with courage anew. In defeat, there's a victory few ever knew.